So in this video we'll look at how to deal with subtraction with carry after children have been introduced to integers. Okay, so we can take a simple example. So let's say I had this is a 2-digit number we'll start with. Let's say I had 54 and I subtracted, let's say, just 7. Simple. Okay. So in the earlier, when the children were younger, we said okay, 4 minus 7 not possible, and then once we said it was not possible, we said okay, out of the 50s we give 140, I give a 10, it becomes 14. When I remove 7 from 14, then I get another 7, and then I get a 47. So this is the result that I get. So this is what we've done in the past. So in this time, what did we know? We said, all right, 4 minus 7 is not possible. Sorry. Right? That's what we told them. But now we know 7 minus 4 is 3. And 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So how do children now think about doing this subtraction? Isn't it confusing now? That wait, 4 minus 7 should have been negative 3. Why am I not using what I learned now? So there are two things. One thing is we will understand what to do with the negative 3. Another thing is what will happen if we write a number like that with the digits being negative. These are the two things let's look at. These are the two issues basically. Yeah? So let's say we know that 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Very good, correct. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. How do you want to write the result? That's 47. But if you write 5 negative 3, it looks like 5 minus 3. Which actually looks like 2. That's not what you want to say. So you cannot use a negative number in the digit. That doesn't really work, does it? So what you can do is, of course, you can borrow a 10. You can do 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. And then you have 40 left, 47. Yes, that works. And that's actually what we are doing here. When you do 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7 is negative 3 because 7 is bigger. Negative 3, I just remove 3 from the 10, I get 7 and we are good. So this is another way of doing subtraction, because for many children this 14 minus 7 becomes slow. So you can say, okay, let's do 4 minus 7, what's the gap? The gap is 3, so we know it's negative 3. When I remove 3 from 10, what is left? 7. So this can be another way of doing subtraction, especially when the numbers are close. This works better. It's a new shortcut.